Hey guys, do you have a tablet? I know that many people still use Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. Of course, you cannot buy it in 2021, but it was very popular in 2018. Now 3 years later, the Chinese company plans to release the next generation of its tablet, Xiaomi Mi Pad 5. The rumors about the new Xiaomi tablet have been around for a long time, more than a year, but in the last months there have been a lot of them, and I am sure that Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 will be introduced in August 2021. We already have a picture with design of upcoming tablet. Also we know some specifications. Actually there will 3 models of Xiaomi Mi Tab 5 tablet. Let's talk about differences between them. Some days ago, the poster with design and key features appeared in the Chinese media. As you can see, the new tablet from Xiaomi will have bezel-less display. However, the previous render had a little different design, especially the rear camera. To be honest, I like this design more, but most likely Xiaomi Mi Tab 5 will look like this, because this is an official poster, while this one is just a render. On this poster, we can also see that Xiaomi Mi Tab 5 will have 2K screen resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The display diagonal will be 11 inches. You know, just yesterday, 3C Authority approved 3 models of Xiaomi Mi Tab 5 tablet. I will not say there are model numbers, but you can read them on your screens. We can see that K81A and K81C models will be powered by Snapdragon 870 chipset, and they will have 8720 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support. Also, the new tablet will come with 48 megapixels camera. By the way, Snapdragon 870 processor has built-in 5G modem, but probably only K81C model will support 5G networks. Most likely K81A model will be Wi-Fi only version. Talking about the third model of the new Xiaomi tablet with the model name of 82C. It will have Snapdragon 860 chipset without integrated 5G modem. This version of Xiaomi tablet will have the same display, but only 12 megapixels camera. However, the battery will be much bigger, 12,400 mAh with 22.5W fast charging support. So that's all we know about the new Xiaomi Mi Tab 5 tablet and its models. Do you agree that all of them look very interesting, especially version with Snapdragon 870 chipset and 5G support? I am waiting for official announcement of the new Xiaomi tablet very much. And you? Let's discuss the features of Xiaomi Mi Tab 5 in the comments under this video. Thank you for watching, see you soon!